Hello and welcome back to the Welsh Gardener, and I'm very sorry about this, but it has been over a month now since I last uploaded. But today I'm going to be harvesting these, my second early potatoes. And since last time, or I think maybe before last time, but I've wood chipped this path, and as you can see all these potatoes are all drooped over in the wind. So it's lucky that I'm going to be harvesting this, and it's going to make the garden look a lot cleaner. So to start off with, I'm going to try just by plucking the stalks, but if that doesn't work, then I'll cut all the stalks off of the second earlies and I'll use a fork to pluck them out. So let's try and get to one of them now. Yeah, it's just snapping. I'll see about a bigger one. Yeah, I'm just going to cut it off and then I'll get a fork. I'll be back in a second. So I've got secateurs here and I've got a fork. So now I'm going to go around I'm going to cut these stalks, just not completely to the ground, but I'll try and do them as low as I'll still be able to pull them. I also need to be careful now not to cut the stalks of my main crop potatoes, which are in a row next to them. So as you can see, all my main crop's gone quite funny here as well. But I think that's just because they've been not getting much light because of the second early, so hopefully this will help the rest of everything get a bit more light. Just finished cutting all of this off. Oh no, I just cut the wrong one, but I've still got some potatoes here, so I'll put them in my trug anyway. But they're my main crops that I shouldn't have cut. They're still a decent size anyway. Let's just put them in there. I'll have to make sure, yeah, they're my main crops as well. I'll just cut these. Tip as well with the stalks, I found they're really good for composting because they break down quite fast. Well, they do for me anyway. So I'll just get my wheelbarrow and I'll use the fork to put all of this hay mulch into the wheelbarrow just so that I can expose the potatoes, expose the ground a bit more. I can already see loads ready as well, so that's promising. I will put this hay back on just to try and get the soil a bit more fertile for next year, because it's not been the best soil this year, to be quite honest. So I'll start off here. Here's one. In fact, I think I might put the soil straight in the wheelbarrow as well. because I'll then know what to put back onto the patch. Oh, that's a big one there, look. These look like they have been eaten quite a bit as well though. But we could just cut them off and still eat them and wash them. It's quite hard soil because it's been so dry, I think. Have a look in here. These are good sized potatoes. We're going to use a lot of these roasting, I think. So I'll speak to you again when I've harvested a bit more of them, or all of them. So what I've managed to get here, this is just about two rows of, about 1 square metre, 2 rows of secondary potatoes, and that's going to be enough for 1 or 2 nights, for my family. So now I'm going to show you me the after product, which is the stalks and everything like that. And then I'll get on to harvesting some more stuff and maybe planting some stuff in the space here. So I just put it all in a pile over here whilst I was harvesting. Oh, I missed a potato here. So now that's in my compost bin. Let's take it to the now that's in the wheelbarrow. Sorry. Let's take it to the compost bins. So I have this empty space here, and I planted up some Swede in modules here that I'm going to plant in there. So let's go and do that now. So here is where I'm going to be planting it. So I'm going to put all these clippings to the side. They were trying to keep it so there was less exposed soil, because that can lead to desertification, and it also doesn't really help the bugs that much. So I like to try and help the bugs as much as I can, and it keeps it nice, finer soil, which means I can put in things like these Swedes a lot easier. So I'm going to remove it from the modular tray. They haven't got many roots, as you can see, because they're quite young still. So I'll just use a little hole with my foot, my thumb, I mean, and put that in there. So thank you for watching this video. There will be more frequent uploads coming in the next few weeks, because I'm on my summer holidays from school, so that'll be great. So I'll be able to make loads of good videos. And there's also some talks of a collaboration going on with a very big, really good YouTuber in the industry, but I will tell you more about that close to the time, or once I've done that. So thank you for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.